Hi, this is the last video of me replacing a clutch on a Mini 2004. I just want to run through some of the snags I've come across putting it back in, and hopefully you can get past them. One of the things here is the top bolt on the starter motor is really difficult to access, and I've found that this Sealy electric ratchet thing is really handy at kind of squeezing through there, and with a long 15mm socket you can just about reach and wind it all the way in, and then from there I can hopefully tighten it up with a torque wrench. There is another access if you have a very long extension bar like this and that adapter on the end. You can just get through and just about reach it if you're lucky, which I used it to get it off. But this is slightly quicker getting it back on this way. The other bolts generally okay, apart from this top two. This one needs kind of a selection of different size sockets to squeeze in the gap just here. It could be a pain to do up, and the one there is not much better. These are generally all right to do up, except this last one here is hindered and tucked away. So it just generally takes time just fiddling around. Gearbox went in a bit easier than it came out. This is your main problem. You need to kind of get it in an angle and then kind of shift and rotate, and it only really seats when you've got that bottom bit lined up with these bolts and kind of shifted over and then pushed in. Before that it wasn't having any of it. If I did it again, I'd probably take most of this off, just leave these radiators hanging. These pipes down here were a real pain, a real obstruction, even there as well. Those ones got in the way, moving up and down. So if you can take them off, probably take you 10-15 minutes, but save you a couple of hours getting the thing in and out. Other than that, the rest of it's not been too bad to put back together. I put new boots on, painted the drive shaft, replaced the CV joint there, which needed to be done anyway. And then on the other side, I've still got to put in the drive shaft, and you can see I've replaced the lower mount there. They're the two fill. Well, that's the lower fill hole there, and that one up there I just need to fill once I can get it level, but I'll slacken it off now while I've got access, and then hopefully I can get it all back together and up and running. Thanks for watching. Bye.